Hi, welcome to the course of Engineering Metrology. In this video, you will get the basic knowledge of metrology, measurement and common terminologies. Let's start with measurement first. Measurement is a natural part of everyday life. We express daily needs in size and weight. Even water and electricity are also metered. Several blood samples, active substance and medicines also need to be precise. I think it is impossible to describe anything without measuring it. Room temperature, body weight, sunshine, chest width, and so on. Almost every company is concerned with quality management in the process of introducing their work. First, we try to understand what metrology is. Metrology word derived from the Greek word metros means measurement and logy means science. Metrology includes all the aspects with reference to measurement, whatever their level of accuracy. Some technical terms in metrology are difficult to understand, so the following terminology is quite helpful for further studies. Accuracy. Accuracy is the closeness between a test result and the accepted value. Let's take an example. If you measure a distance of a gauge block with a micrometer and get 5.50 mm, then the measurement method can be considered as inaccurate, since the gauge block is generally accepted as higher standard than a micrometer. On the other hand, if you measure a gauge block by universal length measuring machine, this method can be considered as accurate, because the universal length measuring machine is accepted as the higher standard than a gauge block. Bias. Bias is the difference between the expected value and the accepted reference value. Let's consider one example. You are measuring a known value of gauge block by vernier caliper. The known true value is 20 mm and you measure it as 19.50 mm. The difference between these two are known as bias. It is a kind of error. Calibration. Calibration is the set of operations that establish the relationship between values indicated by the instrument and the corresponding values given by standards under a specified condition. For example, if you want to calibrate vernier caliper by gauge blocks to find out the true value of vernier caliper at 100 mm distance, and you measure it 5 times and receive the average of 99.8 mm under fixed environment conditions. This process is called calibration, and the received value 99.80 mm is called the calibrated value of 100 mm. Drift. Drift is slow to change of a metrological characteristic of measuring instrument. Drift occurs due to the thermal expansion of the material and the uneven environment conditions. The term thermal expansion means a change in the shape of the material with the change of the temperature conditions. Resolution. The smallest chance of the measured quantity which changes the indication of a measuring instrument is called the resolution. For example, a scale can measure as small as 0.1 mm. So the 0.1 mm is called the resolution or the least count of the scale. Traceability. Traceability means a measured result can be related to references. For example, a vernier caliper can be checked by gauge block. So the gauge block is the traceability of the vernier caliper. Precision. Precision is the closeness of agreement between independent test results obtained under stipulated conditions. Precision looks like same as accuracy, but there is a close difference between them. Precision refers to the dispersion of the number of the measured value to the true value, while accuracy is the closeness of a measured value to the true value. Accuracy is not same as precision. Let's understand this with below 4 conditions. First, given 3 measured values are far from the true value and widely dispersed, so it is inaccurate and not precise condition. Second, all the 3 measured values are far from the true value and close to each other, so it is inaccurate and precise condition. Third, all the 3 measured values are close to the true value and widely dispersed, so it is accurate and not a precise condition. Fourth, all the measured values are close to the true value and close to each other, so it is accurate and precise condition. Let's revise the four main terms. First, uncertainty represents the quantification of doubt in measured value. Second, error, difference between the measured value and the true value. Third, accuracy represents the closeness of a measured value to the true value. Fourth, precision represents the dispersion of a number of measurements when repeated.